Do you do focused strength training for your back? If not, now's the time to start. All the sitting we do in front of computers, driving, looking at our phone, watching TV can impact our back strength and posture. Doing focused pulling exercises can help combat that. And the 3-point row is a simple back exercise you can easily do at home. You'll need one dumbbell and something to lean against. If you have a workout bench, you can use it, but one is definitely not necessary. A chair, a couch, a coffee table, a piano bench. There are many things around the house you could use. I'm going to use chairs so that you can see just how easy it is to do this at home. You have two different options for setup. One involves one chair, one involves two. For one chair, you're going to set yourself up with your feet hip distance apart. Place one hand on the chair. It will help support your weight, keep your back nice and straight. Other hand will take the dumbbell, let it hang down in front of you, and then all you do is contract, pull your shoulder blade toward your spine, and pull the dumbbell up like you're trying to bring it up towards your hip, and then slowly lower it back down. That's the option with one chair. To use two chairs, you'd set them up side by side, and you're going to place one knee and that same side hand on the chairs. Again, the idea is that the hand and the knee are helping to support your weight. You're going to keep your back nice and straight. Remember, your neck is part of your spine, so you want that in line with your spine, and you don't want your tailbone tipping up to the sky or rounding under a lot. Just a nice neutral spine. Reach down, grab your weight, hold it straight down in front of you, and then again, contract, pulling your shoulder blade towards your spine as you lift the weight up, like you're trying to bring it towards your hip, and then slowly lower it back down with control. Whether you prefer to have both feet on the ground or one knee and one hand on a chair, either is fine, whichever works best for you. Along with keeping your spine nice and straight, there are a couple other things to keep in mind as you do your 3-point row. You want to use the muscles of your back to draw the dumbbell up, bringing your elbow, keeping it close to your side as you go. You don't want to use momentum and swing your whole body to do it. Okay. Contract the muscles of your back, drawing your shoulder blade towards your spine. Another thing is sometimes we bring the dumbbell more towards our chest. You want to draw it more towards your hip instead. That will keep your elbow closer to your body as you go. So not forward and up, but slightly back towards you and up. And the last thing to know is it is okay to let your shoulder blade protract when it comes to the bottom. You can fully let that shoulder blade protract. You don't need to keep your shoulder blade pinned to your back throughout the whole movement. You can let it protract and retract. Protract and retract. Just make sure you're doing it slowly and with control. And that's the 3-point row. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.